In this ever-evolving digital era, where AI seems to take over many traditional roles, you might wonder, is my job safe? Well, you aren't alone in expressing that anxiety. With advancements in AI and automation, it is only natural to be curious about which professions will remain in demand and, more importantly, human-driven. According to a study by Zippia, approximately a quarter of jobs face a high likelihood of succumbing to automation. Additionally, 36% of positions carry a moderate risk of undergoing significant changes or disappearing entirely due to automation. However, there are still jobs out there that will withstand the AI onslaught. We've compiled a list of the top 10 AI-proof jobs to help you navigate a professional path in the age of artificial intelligence. So, let us dive in, shall we? Healthcare. Let us talk about a field deeply rooted in human connection to kick things off. Despite technological advancements, no AI can genuinely comprehend or empathize with human emotions like another person. Furthermore, as society gradually recognizes the importance of mental well-being, the demand for dedicated therapists, insightful counselors, and passionate psychologists is undeniably surging. Thus, this profession is one of the prominent AI-proof jobs firmly grounded in human expertise. Creative artists and designers. Transitioning to the world of arts, it is evident that creativity stems from unique human experiences and interpretations. Even though AI has impressively dabbled in art creation, the depth, emotion, and individuality a human artist brings to the canvas, whether digital or physical, remains unparalleled. Hence, whether they ray painters portraying intricate emotions or graphic designers crafting distinct brand narratives, their irreplaceable human touch positions these roles as quintessential AI-proof jobs, ensuring the arts stay alive and thrive. Skilled tradespeople. Diving into the hands-on professions, it is fascinating to observe that tasks requiring precision, adaptability, and on-the-spot problem-solving are inherently human. Even though robots are increasingly used for repetitive and heavy-duty tasks, skilled jobs like plumbing, carpentry, and electrical work demand the nuanced expertise and adaptability only humans can provide. Educators and trainers. Shifting our focus to the realm of education, we find that it is not just about imparting knowledge, but also about inspiring, mentoring, and forming connections. While online platforms powered by AI offer many resources, the personal touch, motivation, and life lessons human educators imparted are incomparable. Lawyers and legal consultants. Delving into the intricate world of law, it becomes apparent that legal professions aren't just about knowledge, but also about strategy, ethics, and human judgment. While AI tools might streamline documentation, critical thinking, negotiation prowess, and ethical discernment in legal matters are inherently human domains. Sales and marketing professionals. Venturing further, the business arena, especially sales and marketing, thrives on human relationships, trust, and understanding unique customer needs. While AI can analyze consumer behavior, the art of building relationships, crafting tailored pitches, and sealing deals rely heavily on human touchpoints and instincts. While AI is transforming the workplace, there are still many jobs that are safe from automation. By focusing on developing skills that can't be automated and adapting to the changing job market, individuals can ensure they remain valuable in the AI-driven future. Check out my professional portfolio to learn more about how we can all work together to build a bigger, brighter, AI-driven future.